Hello friends, today we will learn web scraping using Python. So what is web scraping? Web scraping is a technique used to collect content and data from the internet. Suppose we have a website and we want to get its content, then we can use web scraping. Python provides Beautifulsoup module to do web scraping. So let's install that module. I will go to my terminal and here I will write pip install Beautifulsoup. Four. 4 is the version and I will press enter. Requirement already satisfied. That means I have installed it. So let's import it first. Import BS4. BS4 is short form of Beautifulsoup 4. But instead of writing like this, I can write from BS4 import Beautifulsoup, because I only need the Beautifulsoup class of BS4. Now in this video we will take a website for data scraping, and that website would be getbootstrap.com. So let me go there. So I am at the getbootstrap.com /docs/5.0/getting started/introduction. You can see the website page. I will copy this link and make a URL variable and put this link in here. And I will need to install two more packages. First one is an HTML parser called LXML, and second one requests. Install requests. It's already installed, and then pip install LXML. This is already installed too. So this is my URL, and here I will import requests. Now I will get my request. R equals to requests dot get. This will get all the data from this link. So I will have to pass this variable, that is URL. Now if we print R and run our code, then here it's saying something like response 200, but we don't want this kind of information. We want only the text. So here we will write .text. Text is an attribute of this website, and you can see we got the HTML. There are many things. Now we have to create a soap instance of our Beautifulsoup class we just imported. So let me remove this print statement, and here we will write soap is equals to Beautifulsoup. or I will give my request, and then I will give my HTML parser, that is LXML. Now let's print soap. You can see it returned the HTML. Now let's say that we are only interested in the head tag and not body tag. We are only interested in head tag. So here we can write soap.head, and it will return only the head tag of this. You can see only head tag is returned. Now if we want only text, then we can write here head.text, T-E-X-T. Okay, let me remove this. Okay, good. Now we can write here prettify too. It will prettify the HTML return. So in SOAP we have a find all method and find method. For example, soap.find. Now here this heading, I will select this and right click, then inspect. So here this h2 is storing for this heading. This h2 tag is responsible for this heading quick start, and it is in the div class bd content pslg4. We can copy this class and use this class to find this div. So I will write here div, that means I am finding the first div, and now here I will write class underscore is equals to my class that I just copied. This will find the div tag with class, this class. Now let's print this tag. It returned the whole div attribute. Now let's say we are interested only in the h2, this h2. Then we can write here tags dot h2. And we have another attribute called text. It will return only this text, quick start. So if I run the code, you can see quick start. But there is not only a find method, there is a find all method too. So how do we use find all method? Now let's say we want to check all the li tags, that means list tags. So here we can write li and remove this class. And now I can here, instead of find, write find all. And then let's print only tags. And I will run the code. Then you can see all the li tags in the page are now returned to me. To make this look even better, I can write here for loop for tag in tags, print tag, because you can see here this is returning a list. And I will run the code. So you can see it is being returned to us in a very good manner. So this is what I want to teach you in this video. If you like the video, please subscribe and like this video. I will meet you in another video. Bye for now. Also, try to scrape more websites for practice only.